having to find the game again in the second half when it was a little more difficult?
Yeah, I think it's been a fantastic first half, to be honest, in terms of provoking what we wanted, especially in possession today. We knew where the advantages were. I think we've been combining pretty good how to progress inside, sometimes also outside with Kate and Gabi, and then obviously we've been making a lot of runs with Rose today and Monday, exploiting the height. And combining that, I think we had great chances to score more than one goal. To be honest, I think we deserved a little bit more. And then after conceding the goal, it's not easy because it seems like you were doing a good job, and then you just go to halftime with 1-1, no? And it means like it seems already like something is bad, but I was pretty confident because I think we've done a good job. And second half, you need to keep pushing. I feel like obviously physically we know that we are not, all the teams are now after the break, we are not in our best spot as possible, but making the game long as we did, and just insisting, we knew well that we would have chances until the end. Again, I think part of our identity was like, okay, being aggressive, bringing that energy also, that connection with the fans, but at the same time, be able to have that patience, to especially keeping the ball, moving them until you find the right moment to attack.